Welcome, fellow data enthusiasts. Today, we're tackling the puzzle of multiple choice survey analysis in Power BI. If you've ever stared at a mess of responses wondering, how do I make sense of this? Then you're in the right place. We'll talk challenges, solutions, and structuring survey data, because messy data deserves a glow up. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. All right, let's talk data structure. Imagine your survey results are scattered like puzzle pieces, each column holding a tiny part of the picture. Our job, assemble them into something meaningful. Because right now they're speaking in riddles and we need clear answers. Time to import the data. Think of this as moving boxes into your new Power BI home, except some might be oddly shaped or fragile. We'll handle different formats, check integrity, and ensure everything arrives in one piece. Cleaning data is like spring cleaning, messy but oh so satisfying. We'll sweep out inconsistencies, patch up missing pieces, and tidy everything up so our analysis doesn't trip over unexpected junk. A Power Query is our magic wand for data transformation. Want to filter, merge, split, or reshape data? This is where the magic happens. And trust me, it's way more fun than manually fixing everything. Unpivoting sounds fancy, but it just means reshaping our data so it makes more sense. Right now, our responses are spread across too many columns, like a book with pages out of order. We'll bring it all together for a smoother read. Connecting tables is like matchmaking, getting related data to talk to each other. We'll link datasets using keys, because lonely tables don't tell great stories. DAX is the secret sauce that makes Power BI shine. It helps us build powerful calculations, and if you think math is scary, don't worry. I promise DAX makes it fun, or at least tolerable. Aggregating data is like counting votes, each response matters. We'll use measures to summarize everything smartly, so instead of drowning in numbers, we actually get useful insights. Now the fun part, visuals. Charts bring clarity, so instead of staring at raw numbers, we see patterns. Let's make sure our reports don't just inform but impress. Let's talk bar charts. These guys are perfect for spotting trends and making comparisons across different groups. They give us a clear idea of frequency distributions. Think of them like the trusty ruler measuring responses. Plus, with customizable colors, they go from basic to brilliant. Because let's be honest, no one likes staring at a boring gray graph. Pie charts, classic, simple, and incredibly effective. They're the go-to for representing proportions, giving us an instant view of how things break down. But beware of too many slices, it's a pie, not a pizza buffet. Keep it clean, and your audience will thank you for the digestible data. Slicers are like magic filters, you click and boom. The data adapts instantly. They're perfect for interactive reports and make filtering effortless. But remember, they work best with structured datasets. Use them wisely, or you'll end up slicing your data like a chaotic fruit salad. Conditional formatting is like data's way of throwing confetti when something important happens. You set the rules and the colors pop out where needed. It's great for trend analysis, because who doesn't want data that practically talks to you? Just make sure not to go overboard, or your reports might start looking like a rainbow explosion. All right, we've covered the journey of handling multiple choice questions in Power BI. Let's wrap it up with a few key takeaways. First, visuals are your best friends. A well-placed pie chart can save your audience from spreadsheet-induced headaches. Second, filters should be user-friendly. Confusing filters can turn a simple analysis into a treasure hunt. Third, if you really want to impress, DAX formulas can uncover hidden insights. And finally, clear labeling is like good handwriting. It makes things readable and professional. So Power BI pros, go forth and report effectively. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.